All of these sites are a part of the beautiful Pueblo Watershed, the smallest but most densely populated watershed in the San Diego County. The Pueblo Watershed encompasses beach towns such as Point Loma and Coronado, as well as metropolitan areas such as downtown and National City. The main water bodies in this watershed are Chollas Creek, Paleta Creek, and the San Diego Bay. The land is mostly residential and commercial, with important spots such as the Hotel Del, San Diego Zoo, Coronado Bridge, downtown, Cabrillo National Monument, Seaport Village, and Balboa Park. However, the impact of all these diverse areas is very evident in the water quality. The urban runoff from metropolitan areas and residential neighborhoods contributes to the condition of the water quality. Also, the copper levels from the bottom of boats contribute to the poor water conditions in the San Diego Bay. Copper alone is not only the negative contribution of cruise ships. The standard 7-week cruise deposits 210,000 gallons of sewage into the water. Cruise ships also must take in water into their hulls to help stabilize the boat. This water is usually taken when in port and released at their destination. San Diego is many times the place where cruise ships release the water they carry, and this introduces diseases and harmful species into the bay. Within the last 3 years, over 600 cruise ships passed in and out of the port. So if cruise ships can harm the bay through dumping gray water, sewage, bilge water, toxic waste, and solid waste, aren't there any regulations? Actually, there are some regulations. All cruise ships have to treat their sewage before they put it in the water close to shore. But if the ship is 3 miles away from shore, there are no standards on treating their sewage. Once a cruise ship comes within 3 miles of a shore, they are then required to comply with the Clean Water Act of 2006. The Clean Water Act is helpful because it imposes stricter rules on the emissions of boats. Adam Deaton from the Port of San Diego said to improve the water quality of the San Diego Bay, the cruise ships can follow an optional code of conduct by reducing their emissions 24 miles offshore. By default, most cruise ships emit something called bunker fuel, which is for high-powered cruising and can be harmful to the ocean. When closer to the port, cruise ships have the opportunity to reduce their output by cruising on a low-sulfur diesel, which has much less of an impact upon their water. Cruises are a fun way to enjoy the sea, but can also have a lasting impact upon the quality of our bay and surrounding water bodies. Possible alternatives for more environmental conscious cruising for the future could include more earth-friendly fuels, such as some sort of development with biofuels or solar energy. No doubt that people want to be able to explore the ocean, but for the benefit of our water, it is necessary to develop safer, greener ways to cruise.